Hello, all you beautiful, mature women. Today I want to show you this new find in Huntington Beach. It's called Huntington Beach Farmers Market. It's right next to Golden West College, really close to Costco at Bellaterra. I had never heard of it before. It's kind of tucked away. It's on Gothard and Edinger. But wow, am I happy that my girlfriend told me about it. They have food from all over the world, food that you've never seen in any of our regular markets. Food from Syria, food from the Middle East, food from Mexico, food from the Czech Republic. A lot of it's Arabic, and it's really different, interesting. The cheeses, I got one from Syria. It was to die for. Just really different foods that you do not see anywhere. And the prices are amazing. The produce is the most inexpensive produce I've ever seen. And they have like really cool, crazy like spices and oils, and their eggs are even inexpensive. Organic, pasture-raised eggs. Their butter, really inexpensive for butter that's raised in other countries, which I love because they're feeding on the pasture. They're not in vats just being pumped full of corn like our cows are and hormones. They're all treated humanely in other countries. Really different produce, different sweets, different, just really incredible different market. I think that if you like to cook and you like to experience with different foods, you would really dig this place. They have 1,000 different mustards from all different countries. They have honey that is. They also have a deli where they have fresh cheeses, meats. I got kofta there, which is a meat, ground beef that's been seasoned with, I don't know what the seasoning is, but it was so incredible. It was excellent. These are olive oils from all over the world, big, huge bottles of them for $19. These are all the different salts they have and the different sugars, different baking things. The hearts of palm were like so inexpensive and so good. Spices, these are all the lentils and the pastas, and just really different. If you like different foods other than the stuff you get at pavilions at the same old, look at all these spices. I don't care what spice you're looking for, this place has it. These are all their teas from all over the world. These are different sweeteners from all over the world to make baklava. This is their coffees, fresh ground Arabic roast, Italian roast. This is outside where they have more produce, and again, excellent prices. And they also have plants and pottery that is really, really reasonably priced and really fresh. It feels like I'm in a souk in a foreign country. I think that's what I love so much about it, because it's so different, so unique. You can really spice up your food at home and make some interesting things. Forget the same old. These are the pots. I mean, a big, huge, beautiful pot like this for $80. Really? Where do you ever? That would be $400 at Home Depot. So check it out, Huntington Beach Farmers Market. Thanks for watching.